How to fix DoorDash not placing order. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a couple ways that you can fix your problem. First thing first, if you are being shown the error where you cannot place the order in DoorDash, you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of your app. So head over to Play Store and simply type in DoorDash. If your application shows open, that means it is already updated. In case if it shows update, tap on update and update your app. Now once done, you have to open up your settings, scroll all the way below and go for apps. Here also type in DoorDash at the search bar. Once you tap onto your app, tap on storage. Here if you see any cache, clear it and also tap on clear data. And once you do so, it will delete all the data like your credentials, username and password. So make sure that you take a backup or remember your username and password and delete the data. Once done, come back onto App Info page, tap on Force Stop, then OK. Now restart your device, get logged into your DoorDash account and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then the only thing that can fix your problem is long tapping onto your DoorDash. Tap on Uninstall, tap OK, and reinstall again from your Play Store. As you do so, get logged into your account and this shall work. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.